TMC holds government responsible for ASSAGAO bulldozing. National Spokesperson Trajano D. Mello.
The incident at ASSAGAO that happened where bulldozers were used to demolish a house when there were already occupants in that house, where the occupants were taken, kidnapped, tortured, released, is really a shocking incident. We have heard of bulldozer culture in UP, Madhya Pradesh. Has that reached war? I used to always tell my friends, one day this is going to happen. And all this responsibility, let's not talk about police, Mamledar, the collectors, to transfer the properties. This all responsibility is at the doorstep of this very government. When the government has decided to sell Mother Earth, destroy the environment, do anything, everything today in Goa, every person in India knows, including foreigners, that everything is for sale in Goa. Our peace is for sale. You pay money, you can blast your music and disturb everybody's peace. Our very life today with this sort of situation is in danger. The time has come that we do not know that if you go out for a party, that by the time we reach home, somebody else may be occupying the house. And the law says the occupant remains there. The occupant has the first title. Now, one of these reasons is the judiciary. If you take 15 years, 20 years to settle an issue, civil issue, this is how people try to take law in their hands. The government, who has, according to me, decided to sell Goa, is the real cause of all this. We as TMC condemn this very strongly and expect that the government acts immediately.